Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in.
Today we will be discussing Google's latest enhancements to Gemini Live with visual capabilities and app integrations, the concerning discovery of private Grok conversations appearing in Google search results, and FieldAI's massive funding round to develop universal robot intelligence systems. Google is pushing the boundaries of AI assistance with significant upgrades to Gemini Live announced at today's Made by Google keynote. The updated version will now provide visual on-screen guidance when users share their camera feed, essentially allowing the AI to see what you're looking at and provide contextual assistance by highlighting elements directly on your screen. This visual awareness represents a major step forward in multimodal AI interactions. Angela Sun, a product manager at Google, explained that, quote, Gemini now provides visual guidance by highlighting things directly on your screen, making the assistant more intuitive when helping with everyday tasks. The feature will debut on Pixel 10 devices starting August 28th before rolling out to other Android devices and eventually iOS. Beyond the visual capabilities, Google has also implemented a more expressive speech model that makes conversations feel more natural. Users will now have options to adjust speaking rates and even select different accents, creating a more personalized experience. The integration with Google's app ecosystem is getting deeper too. Starting today, Gemini Live will connect more seamlessly with Calendar, Keep, and Tasks applications. Looking ahead, Google plans to expand these connections to Messages, Phone, Clock, and Maps in the coming months. These integrations allow Gemini to access and manage your information across multiple apps, making it a more useful digital assistant. In concerning news from the privacy front, TechCrunch reported this morning that hundreds of thousands of xAI's Grok chat conversations are now indexed and discoverable through Google Search. This means that private conversations users thought were secured behind share links are actually publicly accessible through simple web searches. Rebecca Bellin of TechCrunch reported at 10:04 a.m. Eastern that hundreds of thousands of Grok conversations are easily accessible through Google Search, highlighting a significant privacy concern for users of the platform. This isn't the first time we've seen this type of issue. ChatGPT recently faced similar problems with shared conversations being indexed. What's particularly troubling is that the index pages include not just the conversation text, but also any files that users may have uploaded during their interactions with Grok. Some of the discoverable conversations even show attempts to bypass safety policies, which raises additional concerns about content moderation. As of this reporting, xAI has not issued an official comment on the situation. This incident serves as an important reminder that share links for AI conversations aren't necessarily private, and users should exercise caution when sharing sensitive information with these systems. In a major development for the robotics industry, FieldAI has announced securing $405 million in funding across recent investment rounds. This financing values the robotics intelligence company at approximately $2 billion and represents one of the largest funding events in the embodied AI space this year. The company's impressive roster of backers includes NVentures, NVIDIA's investment arm, and Bezos Expeditions, among other prominent investors. This significant capital infusion signals strong confidence in FieldAI's approach to creating universal robotic intelligence. FieldAI CEO Ali Agha described the company's mission clearly, stating, quote, the mission is to build a single robot brain that can generalize across different robot types. This approach differs from many robotics companies that develop specialized AI for specific applications or hardware configurations. The company is developing what it calls field foundation models, AI systems designed to work across various robotic platforms and tasks. A key focus of their technology is on safety and risk-aware autonomy, crucial features as robots become more integrated into human environments. The newly secured funding will primarily be used to scale up operations and accelerate development of these foundation models. This investment highlights growing industry conviction that general-purpose robotics intelligence represents the future of the field, moving away from the highly specialized systems that have dominated robotics to date. FieldAI's approach could potentially reduce the cost and complexity of deploying robots across industries by providing a standardized brain that can be adapted to different physical forms and use cases, from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and home assistance.
Thank you for listening to AI ConvoCast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.